How do I unblock my washing machine pump? If the machine is not pumping out the water properly, first turn off the appliance and disconnect the power. Then turn off the water supply. Lay a towel on the floor and unclip the pump cover. You will find a drain hose which can be used to release residual water into the tray or shallow container. Make sure you replace the cap and hose once you have drained the water. Unscrew the filter cap and slide it out. Water will come out onto the towels you have laid down. You may find obstructions in the filter, such as coins or a build-up of lint. These should be removed before thoroughly cleaning the filter. Carefully check if the impeller moves freely. Once this is done, screw the filter cap back tightly into the locked vertical position as shown. Close the flap and ensure it is clicked into position. You can then turn on the water supply and power again. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.